Yung oil pan niya. So wala naman siyang sign na mga kinain. So ito yung filter niya, yan. So ito yung oil pan. So bago na yung filter, ayan gasket ngayon. Guys, you see the old fluid. The old fluid is you see the use dark. Okay, so now the pipe is already hot, so now we can start to change the fluid. So now you see the old, this is the new. You see, if we start to exchange, you see the new fluid here. Okay, drive. Release the brake. Okay, now start. Inshallah. So now guys, the car is put in drive. Now you see the new and you see the old, different. Always check this side if have a leak or no leak. Okay, so far so good, no leak. Okay. Hi. So now guys, you see the old side, it's coming lighter. Okay, not same before. See? Before it's dark, but now it's coming lighter. It's already complete. So if you see the old, and it's better than before. Okay, if you want to the old same like this, you need more fluid to coming the color like this. But now it's very different from before, and now it's good. Okay, thank you. So we will check the fluid level. Now the temperature is 46. Start there. So if you check the level, the engine is need to start, and you open this check plug. This one is the drain plug, this is the check plug. Now no fluid come out, so meaning the level is not good. Now we add. So now we add 1 liter. 1 liter. Okay. The car is off. Okay. Charge 1 liter. So okay. So we add only 1 liter. Okay, now now it's good. Now we check again. Start there. Sweep PRND 5 seconds. So okay, now it's already finished. So shifting the lever to PRND. Now we check the fluid. Oh, too much down. Okay, so now we add another. Up. So now we will try to check the level. Okay, now you see the oil coming out. Okay, but now we do not check because we remove the pipe. The oil down. So remove first the pipe and check the level again. Up. Guys, I already fixed the pipe. See, now we try to final check the level. Start there. Okay, so now check the level. Okay. See. Very nice, very red, so not same before. Now it's good, so just wait a few minutes or seconds and then close this. Okay, now it's good, now it's done. Okay.